Ekiro ekikeezezza olwaleero ssaawa nga 7 ez'ekiro twafunye amawulire nga etugamba amawulire nga batuyita nti ssomero ya Salaama School of the Blind ekuta omuliro. Poliisi yaffe eya Mukono ne basitukirawo ne fire brigade ne DPC ne tiimu ye ne bajja ku siini okulaba ekigenda maaso, naye nga batuusewo nga abaana bamaze okufa, abaana ba 11 nga bamaze okufa, ne bagezaako okutaasako 6. Bano 6 babataasizza ne babatwala mu ddwaliro wano ku Kisoga.
The deputy headmaster Salaama School for the blind. Abantu abatannategeerekeka bayogeza ekisulo ky'abaana abawala abamu basurvivinze abalala ne bafa nga Nalumisa Peace wa primary 3, Mudondo Patricia primary 3, Namuga Gladys primary 5, Lwokubiri primary 4, Nantume Agnes primary 1, Namulondo Rebecca primary 1, Namuwonge Joseline primary 1, Nasari Veronica primary 1, Nakayemale Tisia primary 1, Kalamusha Mira primary 1, and Anoduketi primary 1.
Yes, enamba eyo ekola abaana bameka?
Wanje?
Nti eyo enamba ekola abaana bameka?
11.
She had the matron screening, but maybe the matron couldn't help because it was too much fire, as she's stating. But we are seeing police doing its investigations, and very soon we hope to get a report out of this. So I appeal to police to do thorough investigations. We get a report and maybe do investigations and get the person who was behind this act. We have lost 11 children or 11 pupils in Salaama
School for the Blind.
School of the Blind. We have lost 11 of them, and 7 of them are being admitted at Helona Health Center, and we have advised the DHO to transfer them to Mulago for better treatment. But it's very unfortunate that these children were staying, 21 of them in the dormitory and 11 of them are dead. We only have 7 and some 2 other survivors. But it is a very bad situation. If you look at these dead bodies, you cannot, I don't know. It is very unfortunate that we don't know the image, the emotion, the motive of someone who put this dormitory on fire, because these are very young pupils who are staying in this dormitory. They are blind, they are not seeing. What was the motive behind this person that put this dormitory on fire? It is a very unfortunate incident that in Uganda, if we still have such people with such an heart, which is not kind to our generation, and you even cause such an incident to the person who is like unable to assist him or herself, it is very bad. So we recommend that police does its investigations, let it come out with a very good report that will help us find someone who managed to put this school on fire, and we maybe take him on as the law requires.
Yes, Mukono district have received numerous attacks of recent from people who are claiming that the school land used to belong to them. And Salaama School for the Blind might also be one of those where there are some claimants. It's good investigations have kicked off to exactly establish whether this land has any problem and to see how we can save this government facility.